Going with the motor. Because if I don't, they'll fucking just take me back down. Yeah, I'm a spot lock right here.
You picked it now?
Yeah, I got him. I'm a spot lock right here. Oh. Please be a calico or a halibut.
Okay.
It's a bass. Oh, it's an angry bass. Oh shit. Sand bass. Another sandy. Oh, in my way here. We got one. Should we get it like underwater? Like, well, that didn't take goddamn long. They do a camera action. Big ass body. Big ass body.
Nice fish.
Keeper calico
There you
right there.
go, baby.
That's
Robbie.
the calico right there.
Yeah, buddy.
The leg alone. Right there. Yes, sir.
Here, hold it out, hold on. Robbie. Oh, there's a bite. Hold on. I'm missing bites. Here it is. Damn it. Oh. Oh.
Oh, it just came right up, dude. The Capitan has fucking brought us to him.
Ooh, second one get on there?
Hold on, I'll dive in and get him.
Wonder if a second one got on there.
Oh, is it Avery? Hold on, there might be more.
That's the smaller. Right there.
Followers?
Oh, there we go. There we go.
Followers? Oh, he just doubled up under the boat?
Definitely a second one.
Double under the boat?
Look at it.
Under the boat doubles?
Dude, hold on, look at it.
Doubles under the boat?
Look at it.
Oh, it's a good fish. It's right here.
Halibut. Halibut.
Oh, it's a good halibut too. It's not a keeper though. Oh, he just fucking splashed the shit out of everything. But it's a halibut. It's not a keeper though.